Hey guys, welcome to the new video of AG Framework. Today, we are installing DevHub Multiple Pool Cleaning job. First of all, you need to visit their official TBEX website. I'll provide the link in description after reaching to the website. You can find the multiple tabs are there. You need to click on the standard version here. You can find they are having multiple scripts are there. But today we are installing the multiplayer pool cleaning job. Just click on here. Here you can find multiplayer pool cleaning job. It has some special features, like it has 3D objects. You can clean the trashes. Also, you can manage the water flow based on the refilling pool. Also, controlling the valve system. Also, you can balance the hygiene of the water. Also, it supports full multiplayer option, so you don't have to worry about that. If you are having their skill tree, it also includes their skill system defaultly. After unlocking skill, you will get more XP and more money rewards based on the server configuration. Here you can find some preview of the scripts. It's properly having a new minigames. Are there also you can use teamwork to do as much as you can. After that, just click on purchase product is added into our basket. Make sure to log in with the CFX ID, then click on checkout. Apply our special discount coupon to get their multiplayer pool cleaning job. It will provide you special discount after availing the discount. Continue your payment and complete the payment. After that, the script will be received on a Keymaster ID. Here you can see two scripts are there. First is the pool cleaning job. Second is the asset. Make sure follow their documentation. Also, I'll provide you the link in description after downloading them. You need to also download their DevHub lib for the configuration. Another thing, I already made a separate video for that. You can visit our previous video for the DevHub lib configurations. After that, you need to follow this format to ensure your asset and run it properly without any issues. Also, you can customize the UI configurations. It's properly open, you can complete your UI change without any issue. Also, you can configure the root systems of this script. Also, you will get the export for that, but don't have to worry about that. It's properly usable and interactable also. If you are having the X sound, it's good if you're not having the X sound. You need to also download the X sound from the GitHub. The links are provided in their documentations also. After that, we'll go to the Keymaster section and download both of the file that we are having and save it to your computer. Same goes to the job assets. Now we'll open the file, select them, and paste it to your main server directory here. You can see we pasted it. Let's click on extract here, and it started extracting here. You can see assets and the scripts are properly extracted. Just open the assets section here. You can find the basic assets and stream section. You don't need to change anything about that. Now open the script section here. You can find multiple documentations are there. Every documentation is separate and integrated with their scripts. You don't need to worry about that. First of all, you need to install the SQL for that. Open it with Visual Studio Code, select it and copy it. Open your SQL, select your database. Now make a new query and hit run and refresh the tables. It's now properly injected into your database. Now close the SQL file. Now you need to follow the README section. You can find everything on the documentation. I'll provide you the documentation links on the description. Also avail the discount using our coupon code. Now open the configuration file here. You can find all type configuration starting with the client.lua or the configuration here. You can find the clothing, men and women. Both are there with the 3 clothing job. Uniform variations are there. You can add it max 3 per gender without any issue. Also, you can disable the quest tab without any issue. Just enter the true or false. It will automatically disable it. Also, you can disable the vehicle section or add new vehicle max, limit is 2. Now you will get the vehicle spawn point. You can add multiple spawn point based on the configuration that you are starting the job. After that, you can find the notification type. Also, you can customize these types. Also, you can add your own notification without any issue. You can also change the hood placement for the job that you have started, so you can directly configure them based on your server HUD that you are having. Then we'll have the main pad selections. You can find all main pad configurations are there. Also, you can disable the blip. Same goes to the ending location, where you can get the paycheck. You can also configure the way. Also, you can configure the blip. Also, same goes to the notification that I tell you previously. You can disable the notifications. Also, you can disable the controls. Also, you can add or change your pull clips based on the configurations. You can also change the control buttons based on the configurations. After that, you can find the Enable 3D tracks in the trash system. You can disable it if you want to improve your experience in your server. It gives you more optimizations after that. You can find the Disable Finish prop. You can also disable it. I'll just make it false and enable everything as a default section. So I'll show you everything with the closing selections and the end of prop selections now. Just closing the client, open the server.lua. Here you can find the money types and money quest types. Same goes to the money types in the vehicle. You can find all the money types, same goes to the webhooks. You can add the webhook based on the Discord, same goes to the item reward. You can add any item as player completing their job. They will get the report. You can also randomize them based on the configuration. Now close this file, open the server.lua. It's a basic economical way to find or change your XP system on every work that you've done. Here you can find the economy section. Here you can find the XP and money that you all set it. Also, you can multiply them based on the level system of player. Also, you can enable the tree system as I'm having their tree. I'll just enable it to show you the tree system in Gap. After that, you can directly enable it. For the selected job, I'll just disable it system. You can directly disable it based on the selections that you are having. After that, you can find the all quiz that are cited, or you can also add them on the configuration. After that, you can find the debug mode. If you are having any error, you can directly enable the debug and analyze your error. Based on the knowledge, I'll just suggest you, if you don't know what you are doing, just leave it as a false after that. You can find the language.lua. If you are having any other language in your server, you can directly add it after that. Just close this file, open the scaletree.lower. You will get the basic configuration of skilltree.lower. It's a basic configuration of skill system. You can add it or change it based on the configuration. If you want to change or add customizations in the pool cleaning skill tree, you can directly add it. After that, you can find the zone Lua. You can select the zones where jobs are started or placed. You can directly add your own starting and ending locations. Everything is open. You can directly add it also where you are now. You thinking, where do I change the configuration of framework? You can directly change them into their DevHub lib. As I said, tell you previously, you can change them, change everything on their DevHub lib. So for that, you need to follow our previous video. I properly told you and described every features of DevHub. Lib after that, the installation is completed. You don't need to change anything, just ensure it, as I told you in the documentation. Just follow the documentation format. Just copy it and paste it to your main server directory as I am pasting the formation into the server.cfg. Now just ensure everything and now run the server. Before starting the in-game demo, I'll show you the skill tree that integrated with the pool cleaning job. So for that, you need to press F7. Here you can find multiple skill trees are there, but we'll follow the pool cleaning. Here you can find the skill trees are there. It's a special feature and add-on feature. Make sure you need to add there also by the DevHub GG skill tree. If you having this skill tree, you will get the extra features of skills you can find. Multiple skills are there. You need to earn the XP. You can unlock them based on the purchase after that. Just close it. Now I'll show you the proper showcase of in-game. Hey guys, here you can see I am in-game and the pool clinic job is working properly without any issue. You need to just visit the location to start the job. Here you can see I am at the location. Here you can see the blip in the map. Without any issue, you can see the blips. After that, just go there, and if you are having your OX target, you can directly interact with that. Now just click on Pool Cleaning. Here you can find the variation of trucks. Also, you can find the leaderboard. Same goes for the job clothing. If you want to invite any player, you can directly add the player ID to invite them. Also, you can see the XP and the job payout that you selected on the configuration. Also, you can see my level, and of course, you can see the quest. If you are having any ongoing quest, you will get extra points and extra money for the quest. Gain your level faster than any other. Also, you can add the variation of vehicles without any issue. And you can also see the variation of job uniform. So I'll just start it and click on Start Job here. You can see I spawned with the vehicle with proper vehicle keys. Also, it's showing the route for the vehicle pool to be cleaned. Also, you can see the missions on this site. So you need to just follow the missions and complete the task. I'll just go to the pool location and I'll show you the proper pool cleaning work. I'll just fast forward this part. So here you can see we are near the pool cleaning area. Here you can see the pool. We'll just park our vehicle. So here you can see that all details are there. We'll just pick up the trash and other options for cleaning pool. So we'll just start the job with picking up the trash. Here you can see we are start cleaning the job. Here you can see pick up trash is 1 by 6 now. You can see the progression. Now we'll move forward to our another pickup trash. Here you can see it's completed with the proper haptic UI experience and sound. We can customize it without any issue. Here you can see it's properly synced with the UI experience that you are having. Now we need to do another work here. You can see we need to pour the charcoal into our swimming pool. Here you can see the sound of proper haptic experience. We need to do it for time. Here you can see we completed our 3 of charcoal. It's the last one. Now we need to open the valve to start cleaning the inside of the pool. Here you can see the valve. We need to rotate it. With the proper mini game, you can see that. You can listen the proper haptic UI experience. Now we need to clean the inside of the pool. Here you can see we can use our pool cleaning robot to clean this. Also, we need to open one more valve. I'll just quickly open it. It's the same mini game that we showed you previously. We'll just use our pool cleaning robot. Here you can see, you can listen the proper sound and haptic experience. I'll just fast forward this part. There you can see the job is completed. Now we need to move to the headquarters to collect our paycheck. Here you can see our vehicle is there. Here you can see the waypoint is marked to collect the paycheck. Here you can see we need to collect the paycheck. From this point, I'll just fast forward this video here. You can see we can have the option of receive payment here. You can see the proper animations has come up without any issue. And it also shows the time that we scored. Also, the next mission is started with the next location. Also, you can directly stop it from the where you start your job without any issues. Now, I'll just go back to our starting point and stop the pool cleaning job. Here you can see we are at the point. I'll just go there and stop the pool cleaning job. Here you can see we are back at our default clothing. You can see the proper XPs are there. Also, the quest is completed. After completing the quest, you will get extra XP and extra bonus. So don't need to worry about that. Also, you can find the leaderboards, so it's properly working without any issue. Also, you can choose between different vehicle without any issues here. You can see I selected the different vehicle. It's properly working without any issues. Also, you can customize the full UI based on your server configuration, so it will not conflict with your basic HUDs. And thanks for watching. Guys, hope I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.